Okay, so we have received our 70mm Dashcam A510 set, which has a STARVIS 2 sensor, and it has a super capacitor is what I heard.
No, it does not have a supercapacitor. It has lithium-ion battery.
Let's see. And it has 3K resolution with HDR, Sony's STARVIS 2 IMX675, dual channel recording, and it also has parking surveillance, built-in GPS and ADAS, and app control. So we are going to unbox this beast, starting from here. So I just got it from Amazon, so let's see how it's gonna work, or it's gonna work or not. So the moment of truth. This is here. Okay, this goes here. I'm gonna hide that. The moment of truth. Okay, what do we have here? We have a couple of documentation. I'm sure it's the manual and the warranty card, and few stickers, not stickers, but this transparent sticker that we can use to put it on the windshield. That's gonna help a lot. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 is what I got. I guess 2 just to be sure. We got these, some more stickers. Yeah, 2 of these for the rear camera, 2 for the front camera. Okay, and it has the user manual. It has one more user manual. It has this, I guess this is a sticker that we'll have to use. And these things, I'm gonna put them aside and look at the camera. Okay. So this tiny beast is what we are going to install. So this rotates up till 140 degrees, 150 degrees or something. Yeah, this is what we have for the front camera. So I'm going to put that aside. This is the rear camera with a sticker on it. Okay, this rotates, but I guess there is a certain position that we'll have to install it at. Then let's see what we have here. I'm sure these are cables. Okay. There's one type A to type C cable. There is one this goes into the camera. This is a power socket. Okay, this is what we were looking for. Yeah, so we have pretty much all the accessories that we need. Do we have a prior? Yeah, we have a prying tool. So there's a holder that needs to be fixed on the the windshield. So yeah, 2 cables, 1 adapter, 1 the camera holder, 1 the camera itself, and we have the rear camera with a small tool and a couple of stickers. So this is what we have. This is all we got in the box. So I'm going to do a quick installation on my car. I'm going to do it myself. I don't want to spend another 1,000 for someone to fix that in my car. So I'm gonna do that myself. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Let me know what you want to hear. So this thing also has a capacitor or lithium ion battery. Let's see. Heat resistance. I'm going to say that here. What do we have here? It doesn't really talk about what things we have inside the box apart from what really is in the box. And I'm talking about things inside this box, but I don't see anything written specifically that it has a supercapacitor or something. Shouldn't that be mentioned? It should be mentioned. It just says STARVIS 2. Alright, so this is what I bought. So put your thoughts in the comment section and let me know if my decision of buying this camera was right, or should I have gone with a red tiger dashcam instead. Peace, 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 peace.